So our video today is going to be about how to become a freight dispatcher. You woke up on the right side of the bed and you said, today is the day, I'm doing it, I'm becoming a freight dispatcher, I'm ready. Ooh, where do I begin? Well, you came to the right spot because I'm gonna help you out, don't worry. Your first step to becoming a freight dispatcher is to learn business. Now, I know I said earlier that there are not many free resources out there, but it's okay because you have me. So if you're liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, you're gonna get all this education anyway, okay? So do that. But do extensive research. Learn the terminology, learn the lingo, learn the different types of trucks that you might possibly be having to dispatch in the future. You're gonna wanna know as much about them as possible, excuse me. Now, if you like all of this, you watch my videos, you do all the research, and you decide, like, this is it. I'm positive. This is definitely what I want to do. Then you move on to step 2, which is start your bank account. Now, this is where all your money is gonna go that you accrue from this business, all your transactions. This is what you're gonna use to keep up with for your profit loss statements, all of that stuff. And also, if you ever need to apply for some type of business loan or anything in the future, you're gonna need a business bank account to do your business. So get you a business bank account. Whatever money they require is just like with a regular checking account. Whatever money they require for you to start that account will be made available to you in that account. So don't trip and think this is costing you a bunch of money, because it's not. The next step is going to be to build your website. Now, I mentioned GoDaddy.com before, and that's also who I use to build my website. I went to GoDaddy.com and I paid for my website. It cost me $64 total for 2 years. That was including 2 years of insurance as well, which is like $10 a year. So I paid for my insurance and my website for 2 years for a total of $64. And then after that, it's just on auto renewal. I also paid $1.99 a month for a year. I paid it up for the year for my email address. Now, of course, you can use the free Gmail, the Yahoo, the Ymail, but if you can step it up a notch and pay $1.99, a month for a year and have your own legit email address. Mine, for instance, is Toria Foster at allthelogistics.com. If you can do that for yourself, why not do it? Like, let's do it. I use Shopify. Shopify is $29.99 a month, but I was able to use that to actually build the website. The GoDaddy gives me my name, but it gives me my web address. But building the website, I had to do that on Shopify. Now, you can do that yourself. It's $29.99 a month to keep up and running, or you can hire someone to do that for you, whatever works. I did all my stuff on my own. The next step is going to be create you some contracts and all the necessary paperwork that you're going to need to run your business. Now, there are a lot of free contract templates online. And if you wanted to take a step further, you can go to allthelogistics.com, go under My Client Forms, convert my contracts to Word, and plug in your business information. Now you have contracts for your business. I mean, just work smart, not hard, you guys. Or use the free contracts that you find online, plug in your business information into those templates and use those. You just need some contracts. Don't think too hard into it. You're also going to need an invoicing system. I use QuickBooks. It's affordable. It's easy to use. If you have your own different invoicing system, you can do that, but you're going to need some type of invoicing system because you're going to want to keep track of all of this stuff because you're going to do big business, okay? Next, you're going to want to start with your marketing and advertising. When it comes to marketing and advertising, make you some business cards. They have the little fancy business cards now where you can put your QR code on it, scan it, and have all your contact information. Create you some business cards, create you some business flyers, use Canva, design the stuff yourself if you want. And I can't stress this enough. Utilize social media. People use social media for everything other than what they need to use it for. Use social media for your business. I am not that big on social media. However, that's where the world is. That's where everyone else is. That's what they're using. That's what they're doing. So I got in tune. I had me all those social medias. Get a YouTube. Get a Twitter. Get a Facebook. Get an Instagram. And use your resources. Network with these people on social media so that you can build your brand and get your name out there and let it be known who you are, that you're coming and you're kicking down doors. They need to know that. Use social media to tell people that. Also, your next step is going to be to get on load boards. Get on load boards. They're free ones. And there's also that load board, which there is a way to get 30 days free, which I can let you know in the load board video. But get on these load boards, play around with them, navigate them, learn how they work, learn how to search for a load. You do not want the first time you're on a load board to be when you're booking a load. That's going to drive you crazy. You do not want to frustrate yourself or overwhelm yourself being unrealistic. Learn to navigate these load boards, play around with them, pretend to book loads until you're comfortable. Once you've done that, your next step is going to be to acquire you a business owner operator. Great, now it's time to book a load from somebody. You're ready. You got it. So if you've enjoyed this video and you want to continue to educate yourself on all things logistics, please like, share, and subscribe. And also remember, with all things logistics, you are in business for yourself, but never by yourself. I'll see you next time.